Hello and welcome today to another wonderful episode and video on Yusuf Anobekun's channel where I talk about business, marketing, and advertising. And on today we'll be talking about the misconception of e-commerce. What's the misconception? Hot product. Now, when I hear this, the first thing that comes to my mind is somebody's about to sell something to you. Somebody's about to gimmick you into putting your money, paying you something. And with my over long period of time in e-commerce, running adverts in e-commerce industry and in other businesses, I can tell you categorically that there is no product that is not hot. Now we're going to the popular website AliExpress and use an example and cite various examples for you. Now, there was a time that there's a particular product I want to believe is pump. Yeah, it is pump. I don't know. I don't really know. It's something that you use for dick enlargement. Um, so back then it was very popular in the yes, this is the product, this particular product. Now, if you look at it here, 1,000 plus sold, 2,000 plus or 2,000 plus sold, and up till today this particular product is still selling. And when I came into the game like 7 or 8 years ago, this was one of the products that was hot and it's still hot. We are in 2022, and 7 years ago or 8 years ago was that's 2015. And even in the span of 7 years, this thing is still hot because when people come with the ideas that I need to, there are even various sites whereby they claim to give you us product and the likes. You just jump on it because the whole thing that will stand you out is not even about your product. It's about your brand. It's about your name. It's about what you have been known for. There's a particular client of mine that is into waist trainer, and we've been selling waist trainer of various categories or body shaper, whichever one you want to call it. We've been selling various designs of it for the past 5 years now, and it's still the niche that it is. You understand? Even there was a time we tried to deviate from this and try something else. The returns was not as heavy as what is being gotten here. And this is if you know about this brand, this is a brand that the likes of Kim, the one of the Kardashian sisters, have built a brand around, and some are still building brands around it up to today. Why am I saying this, or why am I doing this video? I just want to correct the notion that there's a particular hot product that is about to come out or that will be a game changer for you in your career or something. Some of the products that have come and that Nigerians might will say it was hot one time. Another category is these about tea, about medicine. Let me just say about medicine generally. Till today, some people still make a very good killing with these various about medicine that is ranging from this is hemorrhoid, which is probably you can't control your stooling. This is another one. This is another one, diabetics. This is another. So various ones like that. And when you look at all these are products that have, some people say it has expired. Okay, now let me this is the one that's still always shocking to me. This particular oil has never run out of circulation. This is one product that I've even lost count. Sometimes I'll be like, people still buy this thing. So it tells you that the market is not as confusing as they want you to feel like it is. Now, when you go to, how will you get to know some of these things? When you go to there's a particular website that claims to drop, but I use this Big Spy, which allows you to spy on adverts and the likes. It lets you know how long an advert has been running, when last it has run, and the likes. So let me bring this out now. I'm going to first be starting with the waist trainer. Waist trainer. Okay, so let's come down here. As you can see the advert, it has been running for 27 days, which is this how long it has been running for. 30 days, 43 days, 400 plus 400, and this is over a year that this advert has been running. And this is New Zealand, I guess. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because whenever you want to enter the e-commerce industry and the likes, one thing you first come out choose is the market you want to focus on. What you just think of is the long term. Okay, if I start now, how do I want to build gradually? There's a client of mine that he always say, Mr. Yusuf, let's bootstrap. Don't let us try to just rush it. Now, over the years, one thing I've come to understand about the bootstrapping is, or if you feel like you have plenty money somewhere, but the reason why it's good to start small is the fact that you would be able to run things gradually. You would end up understanding the market. You will end up being able to dissect the market. You would even get to a level whereby maybe the Facebook page you are using or the Instagram page you are using has gathered enough interaction. It starts giving you leverage. So even those that are coming after you, that want to enter the industry you are, the algorithm will be favoring you in every regard over them. So that's the reason why when you want to enter e-commerce, you need to be smart about it and not selfish as well, because that's what's going to set you out from others. Being able to have your game plan, which is very important, being able to pick out how you want to go about the marketing, which is part of your game plan. So these are the things that I see when it comes to people talking about hot products. And I just said, let me just drop this video and let you understand that every product is hot, except you don't know how to market. Thank you.